and welcome back to Baby We Eat. Today we are making thumbprint cookies. Delicious, buttery shortbread cookies filled with strawberry. These thumbprint cookies are perfect for any holiday or any occasion. For our ingredients, we have unsalted butter, sugar, egg yolks, vanilla extract, salt, all-purpose flour, and strawberry jam. First, you want to preheat your oven to 350 degrees. You want to line your baking sheet with parchment paper, and you want to set it aside. In a bowl or a stand mixer, fitted with a paddle attachment or a large mixing bowl using a handheld mixer, you want to cream together your butter and your sugar for about 1 to 2 minutes or until well combined. Next, we're going to add in our egg yolk. Now we're going to add our vanilla extract. Your salt. Next, we're going to add in our flour, and we're going to mix in our flour. Our flour will be a little crumbly at first, but it will come together as you continue to mix it. Now we're going to move on to making our thumbprint cookies. You want to use a 1 tablespoon cookie scoop, or you could just use a measuring spoon like I did. We're going to measure out our cookie dough, and we're going to roll it into balls. We're going to roll each ball into our sugar. That is optional. Then we're going to place our cookies on our prepared baking sheet. Now, you could use your thumb, or you could use a wooden spoon, or just a spoon, to press and indent into each ball of your cookie dough. Now we're going to spoon a half a teaspoon of our jam into the indent of each cookie. I decided to use half jam and the other half Nutella. We want to bake our cookies at 350 degrees for about 12 to 14 minutes until each cookie has set and the bottoms are lightly brown. You can remove from the oven and cool on your baking sheet for about 10 minutes. Then carefully transfer your cookies to a wire rack to cool completely. Here are our cookies. They are out of the oven. We have made thumbprint cookies. I want to thank you for watching Baby We Eat.